Yuanhua saw. In ancient times, humans learned to use the stone tool, which is the prototypes of knives. About 5,000 years ago, humans gradually mastered the bronze smelting technology, which is the earliest bronze alloy technology. Later on, iron and steel smelting technology has brought mankind from the era of survival from the wilderness to the era of civilization. Alloy is an important symbol of development of human science and technology.
After graduating from Mining Technology University of Hunan, now called Central South University, in the 1990s, I had the honor to work in the Cemented Carbide Research Institute of 601, a state-owned enterprise, as the first unit of the cemented carbide in China, and became a researcher and participated in the development and the application of it as industrial cutting tool, the diamond-coated cutting tool, which was considered as the first diamond cutting tool in China.
20 years exploration, 20 years transformation. Weihe has accumulated a plant of 5,000 square meters and another 50,000 square meters land under construction with a staff of 200 numbers. Having a cooperative cemented carbide production workshop, saw blank production workshop with advanced laser cutting machines, brazing workshop with imported automatic brazing machines, TCT grinding and PCD spark grinding workshop with fully automatic grinding and spark machines, lever smoothing workshop and test cutting saws, and 5-axis CNC machining center, etc. Totally over 200 units of professional machinery. Among them, the grinding workshop has more than 20 complete sets of Germany Vollmer production lines. Yuanhua trademark has become a well-known brand in the aluminum window and door and curtain wall industry. Yuanhua brand ranges from industrial-grade diamond circular saw blade, industrial-grade tungsten carbide tipped circular saw blade, industrial-grade diamond woodworking circular saw blade, industrial-grade tungsten carbide tipped woodworking circular saw blade, plexiglass and plastic circular saw blade, end mill and disc milling cutters for aluminum doors and windows, and various customized industrial cutters.
我们的公司严格的执行了6S 生产管理体系和 ERP 生产管理系统，安全、规范是公司日常生产的目标。岗位技能培训、考核和产能绩效激励举措，更加提高了公司的产品质量和生产效率。
The one-to-one match production lines layout is more reasonable layout. Each team's operator positions are fixed and the division of labor is refined. The daily mutual supervision, cooperation, and handover between position teams make the procedures more smooth.
原材料建仓检测、生产过程各环节检测以及成品检测项目多达10余项，确保每一件产品品质优良。
Saw blank steel hardness test, dynamic balance test, face runout test before grinding, angle projection test, stressing test, finished edge 2D image test, comprehensive test of finished circular saw blade, cutting test, etc. The company has established an industry university research base in cooperation with Central South University. The cemented carbide and super hardness material R&D team is led by Professor Xia Hui of Central South University, with experts Huang Yulan, Tang Zhilin, Tang Yu, Lu Qianhua, Zhu Yongde, Fang Wenxiang, Wang Chong, and youth technical team includes Chen Youxing, Yang Chun, Qin Pan Hong, Huang Qihua, etc., who have formed a new material research institute, specializing in the R&D of the industry. In 2019 in Frankfurt, Berlin, Romania, our company has a technical and brand cooperation with Germany McWade Company to have established grinding service and sales centers.
The manufacturing of a high-quality cemented carbide saw blade not only depends on high precision grinding equipment and brazing technology, or a simple combination of high-quality cemented carbide and base plate, but also a combination of the balance of mechanics and choose angle of the circular saw blade. It is a creative process based on continuous improvement according to cutting materials and the ever-increasing needs of users. We company adheres to the quality concept of learning from each other and self-development independently. Learning from a large number of cutting tests and user feedback, we have formed unique quality development principles so that the cutting effect and life are continuously improved, creating more and better value for our clients.
Yuanhua saw blades are made of the best saw blank steel, made with imported laser cutting machines, imported heat treatment production lines, and rotary grinding equipment to ensure core advantages such as the strength and balance of saw blank. Yuanhua saw blades are made of special cemented carbide and PCD composite tooth tips through the cooperation and authoritative cemented carbide and polycrystalline diamond manufacturers for better cutting performance and longer life. Yuanhua saw blades are made with imported triple brazing sandwich metal and special formula soldering paste. To complete the welding of the cutter head and saw blank on a fully automatic high-frequency brazing machine to ensure the cutter head and the blank long-lasting performance under extremely high impact. Yuanhua saw blades adopt the world's leading noise reduction technology to meet the user's needs for low noise and anti-vibration, which makes cutting more easily and effectively. Yuanhua saw blades adopts a pioneered grinding oil cooling and purification system to avoid the damage of blades' performance, saw tension caused by high temperature grinding.
我们将与全国各地的经销商和售后服务中心一起结成，为每一位原华用户提供最优质的售前、售中、售后全方位服务。
STARMETEC Yuanhua has not only accomplished the important substitution of industry standard circular saw blades in China, but also has exported to over 50 countries all over the world. By supplying the most competitive blades to us, STARMETEC has been sharing the international high standard market with those brands from Europe, America, and Japan.
Yuanhua products are widely being used in the non-ferrous metal processing industry, automobile manufacturing, aircraft parts manufacturing, window and door, curtain wall, woodworking, furniture industry, new composite building and decoration materials, to provide users with high-quality cutting, paring, drilling, milling solutions.
Circular saw blades are essential tools in many manufacturing fields. A piece of high-quality saw blade made in China represents China's industrial development and technological progress level, as well as the spirit of continuous pursuit of excellence by Chinese enterprises.
After 20 years of hard work, Weihe Company has obtained many certificates and honor prizes: High-Tech Enterprise, Contract Abiding and Credit Enterprise, AAA Credit Enterprise, Customer Satisfaction Enterprise, Quality and Technology Advanced Unit, Excellent Cooperative Supplier, Safety Production Standardization Enterprise, and has become Executive Chairman of Zhangjiajie Chamber of Commerce of Guangdong Province, Vice Chairman of Guangdong Door and Window Association, Vice Chairman of Guangdong Door Industry Association, Vice Chairman of Foshan Import and Export Chamber of Commerce, China Council for Promotion of International Trade, Foshan Committee, Vice President Membership, obtained a number of intellectual property rights, software copyright certificates, ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, and a number of utility new patent certificates. Over the years, more than 100 large-scale aluminum window and door machinery companies and 100,000 window and door, curtain wall fabricators have used our products. In addition to covering the domestic market, we also sold to dozens of countries in Asia, Europe, and the United States, and reputation has been well received from users.
Yuanhua saw blade is really used well. Yuanhua saw blade is the best. Yuanhua saw blade is very good. Yuanhua saw blade is very good. We have invested in a production base covering an area of more than 50,000 square meters in that Hangzhou National High-Tech Industrial Park in Hunan Province. At the same time, we will invest in the research and development of high-precision composite cutting tools, ultra-micro and mill tools that meet high-end manufacturing needs, such as military, aerospace, medical equipment, and electronics industries, CNC machine cutting and milling tools, and strive to become the largest PCD saw blade producer in China and even Asia. Sincerely welcome customers and partners to work together for a mutual development.